Did your attorney pressure you to settle a case? Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney along with my partner, Roshan Jain. We represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury here in Massachusetts. And I'm talking today from our office at 6 Beacon Street in Boston. And I've been asked to speak about this concept of being forced to settle your case because your lawyer is either unprepared, or you didn't know what was going on, or you think he or she didn't know what was going on, or just being pressured by a judge or a mediator, an arbitrator. So I'm going to talk generally about it and answer some questions, but certainly call us if you have more questions, because it's a complicated area and there's a lot of personal things that go into settling a case. So we tend to get calls in the personal injury field and the family law, domestic law field. And in both instances, it's sort of the same thing when there's a problem. You think your lawyer wasn't prepared, or had more important cases to work on, or just wanted to get it over with and wanted to settle for 50 cents on the dollar, or 75 cents on the dollar, or whatever. And what we look for in these cases, because lots of times there's malpractice, but can we prove malpractice? Can we prove, the attorney had a duty to represent you zealously. The attorney says he or she did, but can we prove that they didn't? For example, you show up for a divorce trial and the husband says the house is worth $1 million and you say it's worth $5 million. Well, big difference. We need some documents or an expert witness to show that. If you think it's worth $1 million and they think it's worth 900,000, we're not going to spend a lot of time fighting over that in the course of a malpractice case. But if they fail to document what they say they had, fail to bring the documentation, fail to call a witness that was critical, that was important, or were unprepared, so therefore you had to settle your case, that may be the issue. The same thing with a personal injury case. You go to a deposition or a mediation, and your attorney is clearly unprepared, or you're unprepared because your attorney didn't prepare you. It could be detrimental to your case. So if you feel that your attorney was unprepared, if you feel that they pressured you to settle your case, whether it's a domestic case, a personal injury case, any type of case, give us a call. We're going to be looking for documentation. We're going to be looking for clear signs that your case was worth significantly more money, or significantly better rights than you had. It can't be a small, nuanced discrepancy. But if you were pressured, you felt pressured, if there's any documentation about the pressure or about the difference in value, you may have a good case. Call Burns and Jain. We're experienced in this. We're aggressive. We're effective. We care about our clients. Been in this building here at 6 Beacon Street since 1987. Call Burns and Jain. It's a free consultation. 617-227-7423. Thank you.